Hi, I'm Patty Harrison.
Hello, my name's Miss Van Gorder.
Hi, I'm Miss Serena.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Shifter.
And I'm Mrs. Joe. Together, we make up the science department. This year has been a challenging one for sure, but we have grown, learned, and achieved so much. From being thrown into what seemed like the lion's den, our science students have come out roaring. Here's just a little glimpse of the amazing things our Royals have accomplished this year.
So the straw shoots the air this way, so that pushes the car this way.
Hello, my name is Sienna, and this is my 3D plant cell. The chloroplast is like a gooey gel that holds all the organelles in place.
Spread peanut butter on it. They didn't say use a knife either.